Are you running on empty no matter how much you rest? Chronic fatigue, that unyielding tiredness lasting 6 months or longer, can have you feeling defeated. But today I have 3 energy supplements to help you reclaim your spark. My number 3 supplement is standard processed Ferrofood. This supplement is made from 100% bovine liver, packs heme iron with vitamin C, B12 to boost absorption and help you fight fatigue head on. My second supplement is B Vitality with CoQ10. Many chronic fatigue sufferers have a hidden B12 deficiency, and this drains their energy. This powerful product packs B12 with full spectrum B vitamins and CoQ10 to supercharge your cells. And my number 1 supplement is Red Beet Power. Fermented red beet powder helps to ramp up mitochondrial function and endurance due to healthy nitrates and improve circulation, giving you that natural boost to help you power through your day. If you're struggling with energy, these 3 supplements might be the game changer you need to overcome chronic fatigue and get your life back. Like, subscribe, and click the link below to find out more about these supplements. I'm Dr. Eric Snow, helping you transform your health naturally.